Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the overview of this project. We will learn how to define and assign value in the report template. I will show you how to copy data from one sheet to another sheet, how to calculate the remaining balance, how to convert amount in words, and number 5, how to hide empty sheets. Let us go to the project. Let me try to delete all the constant values and even the formatting. I will click home and I will click no fill, no borders. I will click generate and a message box will appear requiring us to select tenant code. But in this case, there's nothing yet. So I'll just click OK. And what my code will do is all the constant values will appear in this sheet. So these are the constant values: statement of account, the company name, due date, the SOA number. These are the labels. Now, I will choose a tenant wherein I would like to generate his or her statement of account. Then I will click generate again. And what will the code do is the information of this tenant will be filled up accordingly, like the unit number, tenant name, start date, the end date, the current date, account number, contact person, and the annual rent. And also the transactions. This data is coming from the list. So whatever we put on the list will appear on the information here. So let's try to edit on the list Donald Trump. Let's change his name to Rodrigo Duterte. Let's try to click generate. So when we click generate, our code will capture all information related to T0001 on the list. So let's try to change his basic rent and discounted rent. So what is being reflected here on the annual rent is the discounted rent. So let's change the discounted rent to 98,000. Let me try to click generate, and the annual rent is being updated. Now we have here date, document number, description, charges, and receipts. And we have here the remaining balance. This data is being captured from the transactions. So for example, in this case of T001, we assume that he had another payment today. So I will add a new transaction under his name. So I will edit the receipt number. Maybe this is number 10, or let's change to year. So today is 2022. Today is April 04. And this is the first receipt which we received for this month. How much is his balance? His balance is 60,000. So let's assume he paid everything on April 12, 2022. Let's go to the report, statement of account, and let us try to generate. And the latest transaction we entered is reflected here down. Now, I will also explain how to create a formula in the Visual Basic application. In this case, the remaining balance for the first line item would appear like this: charges less receipts. So we have a collectible amount of 2,000. However, on the second line item, the formula will be D15 less E15 plus the remaining balance up. So the running balance will be 6,000. Okay. So this is how our code is working. Lastly, we have here amount in words. So we are converting the remaining amount in numbers to amount in words. Like for example, what if the balance is 1? So 1 pesos only. 1 peso only. So let's try to make this 3. So it's 3 peso only. Is it 3 peso or 3 pesos? Let's try to search in the internet. Three pesos. It should be 3 pesos. Okay. So in this case, let me try to edit. So I will go to the developer and then Visual Basic. So I will go to the code, which is amount in words, and I will change this to pesos. Pesos. Let's go back. So it's now 3 pesos only. By the way, this is available online. The conversion of amount in numbers to amount in words. You just need to edit the code. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my upcoming video. God bless.